Hello friends, today we will see how to add zoom in hover effect on Divi image module. Before achieving that kind of thing, let me show you what we are going to do today. This is my client website, and for my client website what I have done is like I have used zoom in hover effect on this image module. So it is very easy to achieve this kind of hover effect on any image module with a custom CSS code. So let's see how to achieve this kind of thing. Let's dive into our tutorial website. Let's give this page a name, zoom in over effect. Let's publish this page. Let's just build this on front end. So let's take a row, 3 columns. Let me just add an image module over here. Let's just add one image. I have already image in my gallery. So let me just pick this image. Let's just add a text module over here. Leave the content as it is. Let's just add a button module over here, and let's just do some customization to this button. Let's just give it a red button, white color, and I think it's okay. So one more thing I want to do is that I want to just design this column. So let's just give this a padding of 20, 20, 20, 20, and make this pod a little bit curved. And give it a hover effect. Okay, now it's looking good. Let's just decrease little bit curve. Yeah, now it's fine. Let's just make this button also a curved button. So let's just give it a radius over here, border radius. No, that's fine. So let's just duplicate this column. So let's me just delete this extra one. Okay, now it's perfect. Now what you have to do is like you have to go to image and image module and go to advanced section, and I have written a blog for the CSS code, so we will take the reference of that blog. So let's just go to my blog section, just copy this CSS class and paste this class over here, and go to the page settings, advanced, and from my blog section just copy this exact code and paste it over here, and let's just see. Now as you can see, we have got this cool zoom in effect on our image model. You can just play around the scaling thing, like if you want to add more scaling thing, and if you want to increase more time, so you can do that thing. See, we have just, so you can just play around as per your requirement with this code. And now let's just add the class to the remaining images module also. And for this tutorial I have taken a reference from a Divi support team library. So from there I got this inspiration to make this video. now we have zoom effect on all of our images. Let's just exit this builder and see whether we have achieved that zoom in effect or not. As you can see, we have achieved what we wanted to achieve. Hope you like this small tutorial. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel because more quick tip for the Divi website and digital marketing is coming onto this YouTube channel. Thank you.